Hey guys, so I wanted to talk about some of the things that a business plan can do for you and invite you to the Digital Marketers Business Plan Workshop that I am doing on December 3rd. So if you've not really thought of doing a business plan, then you might feel like it's just not something you need, or people only need them to get loans, but there's really a whole lot more that you can benefit from when you're doing a business plan, and it's something you can refer back to again and again and again. So it can be really good for your business. It can give you a real sense of knowing the big picture in your business instead of just kind of working in the moment and always like running from one thing to the next. If you take the time to sit down and kind of look at your business as one overall functioning organism or one overall functioning being, it's not alive, but in some ways it really is. Like, there's so many pieces and so many parts and so many things you need to get healthy and so many things you need to feed and so many things you need to nurture in order for your business to be healthy. So if you put those all in one overall picture, like a holistic approach, like we talk about to treating our bodies, this is a holistic approach to your business, getting the whole picture. That's really going to allow you to decide on your vision. What's really important? What's driving this business? Why are you doing all of this? When you have a big overall view of that, of the plan, of the business and all the pieces of it, you'll be able to get really clear on that vision. When you do a business plan, you're also going to see all of these little spots in your business where you're actually doing well. Like when you start really looking at all the stats and writing them down and comparing them year over year, you're going to start to see trends. You're going to start to see things that you're focusing on that aren't necessarily producing what you want. And you might recognize some things are doing really well and you're not putting your attention there. So that's something that's going to happen when you do a business plan. And it can happen over and over again if you continue to refer back to it. So another thing that you'll benefit from when you have a business plan is if you want to bring on people into your team, you're going to be able to share that vision with them. You can write out something that's going to be really clear because you have a plan and you have that overall big picture of your business. You have that vision. You know what's going on in the business and what makes sense to hand to them and why. You want to get them on board and be invested in your business, and this is going to help you do that. And finally, and this is one, it's not necessarily fun to talk about, but if for any reason you can't run your business, if you have a great business plan that has all the information about your business, how it's run, what it needs to run, who helps run it, the vision, the moving forward, if you have all of that, then someone who knows you or someone who understands the business can take that and run with it. They can make sure that your business continues even when you are not able to do so. As you can tell, I'm outside. So, and if you couldn't tell by the big sweater in the brick wall. So it's just something that I think is really important, something that I'm spending time on this year and this end of 2018, so I can really make 2019 a successful year and move on into a six-figure business that I really am pretty sure I'm going to hit for 2018, but there'll be growth from there because of this business plan, because of having a bigger picture, having a vision, being able to bring on team members and get them invested in my vision, and knowing and having peace of mind to know that my business is ready to be taken over by someone if I need that kind of help. If I need someone to step in, they can take that business plan and know what to do. So I can't wait to get that done. I hope that you'll join me. The Digital Business Plan Workshop is on December 3rd. It's on sale for Black Friday, $27, or you can get it for $1 if you join the Laptop Lifestyle Business Club for a trial 30-day membership, and then after that it's regular $37 a month, which you're going to get so much for that. You're going to start growing your business and seeing results if you apply the things that we are doing in the group. I've had members get their first affiliate sales, create their first products, have their first product sales, build their first email list. We've had so many results from action takers, and I would love to see you in the group. It's just $1 for a 30-day trial, so you can check it out with the intention that you do want to be a member, or just buy it for $27 and you can join the workshop. All right, guys, talk soon. Bye.